Lee Seung-gi is a South Korean singer, actor, host and entertainer. Born and brought up in Seoul, he made his singing debut at the age of 17 after scouted by a talent agent. Lee graduated from Dongguk University obtaining his degree in International Trade and Commerce on February 20, 2009 and received a Special Achievement Award during graduation. He then continued his studies obtaining two master's degrees, marketing, trade, theory as well as finance and cultural contents at Dongguk Graduate School. Singer Yoona and Lee dated for quite some time and confirmed their official relationship status in January 2014, but their separate busy schedules made it very hard for the relationship to work out, and as expected, it ended in 2015 with both the stars claiming that they will remain good friends. On February 1, 2016, Lee began his 21 months of mandatory military service as active duty soldier. After training there for 5 weeks, he was dispatched to his assigned role following the completion ceremony. Lee was formally discharged on October 31, 2017 from the military at Jangpyeong County in North Changchang province, where he was a member of the Special Forces. His very first song as a singer, Because You Were My Girl, became one of the most loved songs in that year and created a stir about falling in love with an older woman. He also became famous in Japan and emerged as one of the biggest South Korean music stars. Lee's success as a singer, actor and host earned him the title Triple Threat Entertainer. Acting debut happened for him in 2006 with MBC's sitcom Non-Stop 5, and he received worldwide fame as an actor for Brilliant Legacy. He has won more than a dozen awards each for his acting roles and his music, and remains one of the most well-known faces in the South Korean entertainment world. He was a member of the first season of weekend variety show One Night 2 Days from November 2007 to February 2012, and the host of talk show Strong Heart from October 2009 to April 2012. The success of his television dramas in parts of Asia established him as a top Hollywood star. In 2019, Lee joined the cast of Little Forest, a healing variety program designed as a home kids garden development project for children. The same year, he featured in the Netflix travel show Together alongside Chinese actor Jasper Liu. In 2017, Lee was announced to be joining the cast of SBS variety show Master in the House. In 2018, Lee was announced to be the MC of Net's reality or survival program Produce 48. The same year, it was announced that Lee will join the second season of Netflix's variety show Busted. Lee was nominated and awarded the Grand Award Daejang at the 2018 SBS Entertainment Awards for SBS variety show Master in the House. He became the youngest entertainer who won the Grand Award. In 2015, Lee made his film debut with Love Forecast, a romantic comedy. Ever since his TV and film career became a little steadily, his music career became little bit slower. He appeared in the 2012 drama The King to Hearts and the historical fantasy drama GU Family Book. Lee took on a hosting role in SBS's Tuesday night talk show Strong Heart in October 2009 with Kang Ho-dong. It was recognized as the best program at the 2009 SBS Entertainment Awards, and Lee was awarded the Netizens Popularity Award.